Welcome to the blackbox22 training video. In this video we'll be adding pipes between manholes. In this video we're going to be adding some pipes between some manholes. Now I've got some stormwater manholes in here and I want to start adding some pipes between them. First thing I want to do is I want to draw these in CAD. So I'm going to click on this, generate drawing, and I'm going to select my category and I just want to use stormwater. And there's all the stormwater. I'm going to hit select all, and I have two options here to draw: console settings or user settings. And what this is console settings is everything is hard coded, all the layers and blocks and everything are hard coded to whatever the console specifies, and user settings is where the user can go in there and specify the layer and the line type and the color for all assets. Down below here, these are points, so I'm going to say, can you draw the point feature text with these? Okay, so that's all I need at the moment, so I'm going to go generate and exit. And it's going around in the background, it's drawing all these assets on the screen. And this will take a few seconds. And there it says it's completed. And if I come into CAD and I zoom extents here, now I can see all my different assets. There's a manhole 36 and 24 and 22. So what I'm going to do is go back into Blackbox, and I want to start drawing a pipe through here. Now I know it's 36, but let's say I didn't. I can click on this icon here and it goes into my drawing, and I can select this. Now when I come back into Blackbox, it's already got stormwater pit 36 already open. Now what we see here on the side, whenever you see a red flag, this tells you that it's a requirement. So in this case here I'll say 36. The manhole depth, I'm not going to worry about that at this point because I'm going to be adding some inverts to the pipe, which then will automatically calculate the manhole depth. So what I want to do is I want to add a pipe. And I got a pipe coming in from, and I can come from my list here and pick whatever asset I want. But if I click on this icon, it's actually coming in from this manhole. So it's coming in from manhole 24. Now if I knew the actual invert, I could type that in, but I don't. I know the depth. I'm going to say it's 1.5 meters down. Okay, so this automatically recalculates. I hit apply, and as you can see, my manhole depth has been calculated. Now I'm going to go to this structure, 24, and we'll put in 24 here. And it already knows that it's going out to 36, so I can put a depth in there, and I'll say a depth of 1. Well, as we can see here, we've got a flag. It's telling me I've got a negative flow. Okay, what we do with the software is we catch problems that when you send it off to a console get rejected and get set back. And so this is just notifying the users that you got some negative flow in here. So there might be something wrong. So I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to add another pipe. I got a pipe coming in from 22 here, and I'll say this depth is 0.9. I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at fixing this one. So I'm going to go to 36, and I'll say, well, let's make a depth here of 3 meters. Okay, you saw the flag go away. We can come back in here to check this out, and now you can see that I have no flag going on. So let's go back to my manhole 22. I'm going to put a depth in here of 1. Once again, there's my flag. I'm going to leave the flag for the time being. I'm going to hit apply. And we got a pipe, 2 pipes coming in. And I got a pipe coming in from this structure here and this structure here. And I can put this in at say 0.9 and 0.9. I'll hit apply, and we'll just finish this off, and we'll just say this is 0.8. We'll hit apply, and we'll also put in a number there, and let's come up here to this one, and we'll put in a depth here. Once again, we got a pretty shallow there, so we'll go maybe 0.3 at a depth, and we'll put in 21 here. I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to go OK. I'm going to get out of this. Now you can see in my tree I have some bold icons and I've got the gray icons. The gray icons let me know that I've imported them, but I've never edited those. So it gives the user a little bit of visual assurity that they've fixed something or they haven't. Now if I come up here to my lines, I can now see I have 4 lines in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to edit them all at one time. I'm going to highlight them all. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go edit line feature. And so a lot of things say vary, but I could say, well, you know, this is an RCP, but they're all a 300 pipe, and they all have 1 cell. So I hit apply, and I go OK. And here you can see I've got some that have these nice colored icons, but then this one gives me a big yellow icon there, letting me know that there's something wrong with that. I've got a negative flow in there that I need to fix this. So the users can look at the icons to know whether everything is fixed or not. We got icons that aren't bold yet, so the user needs to know they need to go in there and set any attributes that they need. When I think I'm all done with this, I can come back up here now. I can go generate drawing. I'll come back in here to stormwater, and I'm going to change this, and I'm going to say just line features. I'm going to select all the line features, and I'm going to say draw the line feature text. And I'm going to go generate and exit. And it's going through my drawing and inserting all the appropriate information. I go OK. And there we can see now that we have information on here with the length and the size. And one of these will have a negative flow, as we can see here. Now this is all editable inside CAD, so I can move it around. There we can see our inverts. We can control the decimal places, everything. And that's it for this video.